What would you do if you had a humanoid robot as a companion? Ponder on that while we delve into the fascinating world of humanoid robots. These technological marvels, designed to mimic human form and behavior, are a captivating topic in the tech world. Imagine a machine that not only looks like us but also moves, interacts, and even thinks like us. That's the essence of a humanoid robot. Combining fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and biomechanics, humanoid robots are a testament to human ingenuity. They have 2 legs, 2 arms, a torso, and a head, mimicking the human anatomy to perform tasks in a human-like manner. But it's not just about the physical resemblance, it's the blend of advanced software and hardware that allows these robots to perceive their environment, process information, and respond appropriately. With their human-like appearances and abilities, humanoid robots are not just fascinating, they're revolutionizing how we interact with technology. You may not realize it, but humanoid robots have already started to infiltrate various aspects of our lives. Let's take a look at some of the fascinating ways they're being used today. First up, healthcare. Humanoid robots are revolutionizing the way we approach medicine. They're acting as assistive technologies, helping with tasks that range from simple to complex. For instance, there's Riba, a robot developed in Japan that's capable of gently lifting and moving patients, a task that can be physically demanding for human caregivers. In another example, robotic surgical systems like the Da Vinci have taken minimally invasive surgeries to an entirely new level, providing surgeons with enhanced capabilities such as high-definition 3D vision and a magnified view. Moving on to education, humanoid robots are serving as interactive teaching aids. Take NAO, a small robot used in classrooms worldwide to engage students in subjects like coding and robotics. NAO can dance, play soccer, and even recognize faces and voices, making learning a more exciting and immersive experience. Now let's talk entertainment. Here, humanoid robots are adding a whole new dimension to our enjoyment. They're starring in movies, performing in concerts, and even working at theme parks. For example, Disney's Imagineering team has developed autonomous robot stunt doubles that can perform high-flying tricks with precision. And let's not forget Sophia, the world's first robot citizen, who never fails to amaze us with her wit and charm. Lastly, humanoid robots are also making waves in the service industry. Robots like Pepper are being used as customer service representatives in various establishments, answering queries and providing information with a friendly demeanor. From aiding in surgeries to teaching our children, humanoid robots are truly redefining boundaries. They're not just about replicating human form and movement, they're about enhancing our capabilities, making tasks easier, and opening up a world of possibilities. Developing humanoid robots isn't a walk in the park. There are numerous challenges, both technical and ethical. Let's start with the technical side of things. First up, we have motion. The human body is an incredibly complex machine, capable of a vast array of movements. Replicating this in a robot is no easy task. Engineers have to deal with balance, coordination, and a multitude of other factors to make sure their robots can move in a way that is not just functional, but also fluid and natural. Next, we have power consumption. Humanoid robots, with their numerous moving parts and complex systems, require a lot of energy to function. Developing power sources that are both efficient and compact enough to fit within a humanoid form factor is a significant challenge. Then, there's software development. Making a robot move is one thing, but programming it to interact with its environment in a meaningful way is another challenge altogether. This involves advanced algorithms, machine learning, and a whole lot of testing and tweaking. But the hurdles aren't just technical, there are also ethical challenges to consider. For instance, as humanoid robots become more advanced, there's the potential for job displacement. As robots take on more and more tasks traditionally done by humans, what happens to the people whose jobs are made redundant? Privacy is another concern. If robots become commonplace in our homes and workplaces, how do we ensure they aren't used to invade our privacy or collect data without our consent? And lastly, we can't ignore public perception and acceptance. Many people are still uncomfortable with the idea of humanoid robots, viewing them as eerie or unsettling. Overcoming these perceptions and gaining public trust is a crucial part of making humanoid robots a reality. The road to creating fully functional humanoid robots is paved with challenges, but the potential benefits make it a journey worth undertaking. Imagine a future where humanoid robots are a common sight, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Yet, this could very well be our reality in the not-so-distant future. the advancement in humanoid robotics is poised to take giant leaps. We're talking about robots that not only look like us but also think, learn, and even emote like us. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks are expected to play a significant role in this transformation. These robots won't just be limited to performing mundane, repetitive tasks. They will be capable of engaging in meaningful interactions with humans, understanding emotions, learning from experiences, and adapting to different situations. In the healthcare sector, humanoid robots could revolutionize patient care. They may assist doctors in complex surgeries with precision that surpasses human capability. They could provide companionship and care for the elderly, monitor their health, and even respond to emergencies. In the field of education, humanoid robots could offer personalized learning experiences. They could adapt teaching methods based on the learning pace and style of each student, making education more effective and enjoyable. But what does this mean for our society? Well, the integration of humanoid robots could change the way we live and work. It could redefine jobs, with humans focusing more on creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects, while robots handle routine, repetitive tasks. However, this future is not without challenges. As humanoid robots become more prevalent, we'll need to address key issues like privacy, security, and ethical considerations. It's a future that calls for careful thought, planning, and regulation. In conclusion, the future of humanoid robots holds immense potential. They could transform various sectors, improve efficiency, and even enhance our quality of life. But it's a journey that needs to be navigated with caution. Considering the technological and ethical challenges that lie ahead, the future of humanoid robots is a thrilling prospect filled with endless possibilities. So we've journeyed into the world of humanoid robots, exploring their applications, challenges, and potential future. We've seen how these fascinating mechanized beings are already making waves in fields as diverse as healthcare, education, and entertainment, transforming the way we live, learn, and play. We've also delved into the challenges that lie ahead in developing these advanced machines, from the technical hurdles to the ethical dilemmas. It's a complex landscape, but one that's ripe with opportunities for innovation and exploration. Looking ahead, we've speculated on the exciting possibilities for the future of humanoid robots. As this technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine the impacts it could have on our daily lives, our society, and our world. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on humanoid robots? Share your ideas in the comments below, and join us as we continue to explore the ever-evolving tech landscape.